Good morning, students. Today we have to solve next chapter, rectilinear figure. And the rectilinear figure, firstly we have to know about the parallelogram, the properties of a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square, kite, and trapezium, and the property of that. In previous class 8, you already know about that. The properties, it is a easy chapter if you know the property. If you are not know the property, then it is a very difficult. So the first property of a parallelogram, opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram, then the opposite side AB के opposite CD, AB is parallel to CD, first condition. And a second opposite side CB is parallel to ED. Okay. And the next opposite side are equal means AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Opposite side are equal. Opposite angle is also equal. Angle D and angle B is equal. Angle C and angle A and angle C are equal. Opposite angle are equal. Diagonals, suppose it is a parallelogram, then the diagonals divides the parallelogram into a two congruent triangle. Suppose ABCD, here are two triangle. First ABD is congruent to BCD. Why? You know that opposite side are equal. Opposite side are equal. Then side property, both triangle are congruent. Next, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other means suppose this is the point O, OD इक्वल्स टू OB होना चाहिए एंड AO इक्वल्स टू OC होना चाहिए. दिस इज द बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, यानी इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. दैट्स कॉल्ड डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. नाउ द सम टाइप्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम. rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. It is a types of parallelogram and it holds all the property of a parallelogram because rectangle is also a parallelogram. Now इसकी अपनी जो property है diagonals की, each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. How to prove that? Because you know that diagonals here 90 degree angle and diagonals यानी hypotenuse equals to base का square plus perpendicular का square. In case of this diagonals, again base square plus perpendicular square. Here we know that base common in both diagonal and this perpendicular equals to this because the opposite side of a parallelogram. Okay. Again the rhombus is a parallelogram, so it is hold all the property of a parallelogram और इसकी जो अपनी है all side are equal and diagonals bisect each other 90 degree means this and this equal, this and this equal and this angle is 90 degree. It is given if it is a rhombus. This is the property of a rhombus. Next, square all side equal means square is a rhombus and each angle is 90 degree means square is also a rectangle. Then it holds all the property of a parallelogram because square is a parallelogram. The definition of a square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So every square is a rectangle, every square is a rhombus, so it is holds the every property of a rectangle and the every property of a rhombus. So diagonals all sides are equal. Okay. And the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree and equal because it is a rectangle. In case of rectangle, diagonals are equal, so the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other. This and equals to this equals to this angle is 90 degree and this equals to this. And according to this situation, In case of diagonals, this equals to this equals to this equals to this, because this is the half of A B C D. OC is the half of AC, okay, and OB is the half of BD, and the diagonals are equal. BD equals to AC, so उनके हाफ भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे. Now we have to solve the question. You must have to learn this properties of a parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. Okay, now we have to solve the question. Question number first, fourth part. It is given, suppose it is a rhombus. Suppose P Q R S is a rhombus, and this is the diagonals, and 34-degree angle L, and find the value of small letter x and y. Now we have to find the value of x and y. Now if we know the property of rhombus, then we can solve this question easily, otherwise it is a very tough. So all sides of a rhombus are equal according to property of a rhombus. It is given, it is a rhombus, it is given. Okay, now all sides are equal, so this equal. And another property is diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other 90 degree, then this is a 90-degree angle according to property of a rhombus. Now we have to find x in triangle PLQ. Angle QPL equals to 34 degree. Angle PLQ equals to 90 degree. Properties of rhombus. Okay, now sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 134. So x equals to 46 degree. Now we have to find the value of y. How to find the value of y? We know that side of a rhombus is equal in triangle SPQ. In triangle SPQ, PS equals to PQ, and opposite side of a triangle are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. Two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. And if it is isosceles triangle, then the property of isosceles triangle, equal side के opposite angle is also equal. So x equals to y by property of isosceles triangle. Okay, now we know that the value of x equals to 46, so y is also a 46. Okay, now the next question, question number 5. In square, it is given, this is the square. Suppose C D E F and this is the M angle, this is 38 degree, and this is the x. Then find the value of x. And we know that the property of a square, all sides are equal. Okay, and diagonal bisect the vertex angle. What is the meaning of that? We know that vertex angle is 90 degree. Diagonal bisect means equal part में, तो 45 में divide करेगा. This is the information from the property of square. Now we know that this is the diagonals, then this angle is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. Okay, by property of square. Now this is 38, this is also 38. Okay, now in triangle NMD angle NMD equals to 38, angle MDN equals to 45 degree. Properties of square. Okay, now we know that the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree, then 38 plus 45 plus angle DNM equals to 180 degree. So angle DNM equals to 180 माइनस कितना हो रहा है, इन दोनों को ऐड कर लो 83. ओके, minus 83, this is equals to 97 degree, and this angle is 97, and we know that this is the linear pair angle x plus 97 equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 97, and this is equals to 83. So x equals to 83 degree. This is the answer. Thank you.